Coastal Waves using China Glaze Cali Dreams collection. Step 1. Prep your nails. I like using Flowery Cuticle Conditioner Pen because it helps pushes my cuticles back and gently removes loose skin at the cuticle line. Use a lint-free wipe with alcohol to remove any debris and oil. Step 2. Paint at least 2 coats of Surfside Skies. Use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone to remove extra polish on your skin. Step 3. With a liner brush, use Sunset Crew and paint a wavy line. Next, use Sunny You Should Ask and paint another wavy line next to Sunset Crew. Then use Tangerine Heat and paint one last wavy line next to Sunny You Should Ask. Repeat these steps to the rest of your nails in different directions to achieve a more dynamic look. Step 4. Use Sachet V top coat to seal in your design and create a beautiful shine. Here's our final look. Coastal Waves using China Glaze Cali Dreams collection.